Hi, this is Kenny with Rasmus Auctions. Today we're in Fredericksburg, Virginia, looking at a woodworking shop, and I want to take you guys for a walk around, show you what's going to be on our website at the end of today. Let's take a look around. We got lots of wood. Each one of these is going to be sold by the style. There's going to be a lot included in each one, so please make sure that you either come to the inspection or pay close attention to the photos. As you come this way, we got a lot of different stuff that you would use for your workshop. Lots of different machinery. Got a nice couch. Lovely compressors. There's about 4 or 5 compressors throughout the entire place. Lovely fan. Nice decor piece. Lovely table saw. Wood workbenches and wood storage cabinets. Storage cart. All right, we'll work our way over to the other side, where we have more wood. Who would have guessed? You got a lovely workbench with tons of different tools, all different types of hand tools, planers. Anything you would use for a woodworking shop, it's here. A little workbench, another big table saw. Got some lovely cabinets ready for you to install in your house. Back in this corner we have another air compressor. We have our air compressor heater. This keeps all the moisture out of your air compressor lines. Over here we have tons of trim for all your cabinets. All different styles and colors. Hydraulic jack. We have an engine hoist, a 2-ton engine hoist in this option. Lots more hand tools, sanders, planers. Nice little bookcase, stool. We have a forklift that is currently not operational. Has about 700 hours on it. More hand tools, more wood. And one peek up top of the loft. That's where we have a heater and a lot more wood. Another lovely table saw. We have more clamps than you could ever need. And lastly, we'll go inside our little office space. We got a heater, 2 water dispensers, a microwave, some stools, a refrigerator, a heater, and some lockers. All right, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you on site, and happy bidding.